Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2009 Chevy Traverse LTZ all-wheel drive. Stock number Z5463A. 112,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, desert brown metallic in color. Traverse is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row bucket seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. This Traverse has hitch and wiring behind the plastic cover. Nice clean look when not in use. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, homelink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5463A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.